Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thanks for coming in, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss the fun craft. Today I just want to show you around the tour what I made, the themes of the Hocus Pocus. So let's get started and show you around. And over here, there's a little spell book I made by hand and made with clay and by hands. Every little step I made a spell. Made some bats, moon made out of paper plate. Bats are made out of 3D hats from Hocus Pocus. And I traced a pot. I put some tissue paper. And I added some little witch and some letters. As you see, these two sides of the tree made out of a roll of paper, and I traced the tree in and I cut it, make it look like spooky. I hope you enjoy all my Hocus Pocus themes. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.